The United States approves the sale of F-15 and F-18 fighter jets to Indonesia. This followed a meeting between two high-ranking officials of the two countries which had been discussing it for months. It is known, Acting Minister of Defense Christopher Miller visited Jakarta this week to meet with Ministry of Defense officials. During the meeting, Miller agreed to sell the two fighter jet models to Indonesia. Namely the F-15 and F-18 fighter jets manufactured by U.S. aerospace companies McDonnell Douglas and Boeing. Indonesia had encouraged the U.S. to sell F-15, F-18 and F-35 fighter jets, but it was agreed that only two models were agreed because the third one to deliver took 10 years, said the Director General of Defense Strategy at the Indonesian Ministry of Defense, Rodon Pedrason, quoted from the website, Nikkei Asia. On the same occasion, Pedrason said that the Defense Ministry under Prabowo's leadership plans to procure 100 superior fighter jets. This is to increase the Indonesian fleet, which currently only numbers less than 60. We'll have about 170 fighter jets by the end of that. Incredible, he said. For that, a budget of around $9 billion to $11 billion is needed for new weapons and military equipment over the next 20 years. Pedrason said Indonesia also plans to accept soft loan offers from countries such as France, Turkey, China and Russia. It is urgent for Indonesia now to have weapons that can balance the power of the red dot countries near us, he said. Not only for the South China Sea, but also Indonesia's longer border disputes with neighboring countries such as Malaysia and Singapore. Pedrason said the Defense Ministry also plans to buy new models of the Hercules military transport aircraft, the C-130J and C-130H, produced by Lockheed Martin, as well as more submarines and patrol boats. He added that the ministry plans to train up to 300 fighter jet pilots and about 100 pilots for Hercules over the next 2 years.